to report to you some significant development khara leba ekoi gi yam reliable source tagi phangrakpa ekoi development ama lakpa nahana very much in the news ekoi gi T Haokip haina son of Limkhose Haokip haina Monom village Rachanpur dagi ishigi information reliable information pangbashida. He is the self-styled president of a newly formed group called Government of the People's Democratic Republic of Kukiland haina to establish a Kuki nation haina ama information pangba. Then on getting the information we made an inquiry and maagishe ekoigi manashu website ama domain ama hangrame shigi domain deshu manashu shigi in one of the press release the manashu it's he is man assigned as the president haina Government of the People's Democratic Republic of Kukiland ki president na haina self-styled president na haina ama shutum mai koi material to shupang balay shigi domain shida shigi website ki domain shida ma koi ki discussion ma koi ki aim and objective shigi she phajana tum yawi and magi daily pharapagan shu some critical incriminating documents shu khra phangi magatagi magi diary shu aikoi scrutiny kanna tori certain incriminating way we should reflect the way, and other than that, Caesar Dobamatam the shoe Magi pen drive Anishu Doki Equina Magi laptop Magi various sensitive incriminating documents shoe crab punky plus Shigishida various kinds of seals in the garb of Magi function though which in the garb of human rights ki amaoina Shiki Government of the People's Democratic Republic of Kukiland Haivishigi in the garb of human rights, so in a so he has a group of outfits Magi Organisation Amagi who works under him. Magi aim and objective she achieved toning. So basically Magi on further inquiry to Baganda Magi materials literature available or Bishida. He wants to establish an independent nation as a People's Democratic Republic. Haina mana shutum court shutum haivni BDRK haina. So it is a Magi objective way, but it is very clear. Magi the very organization name itself is very clear and shidatum pajana Magi kari kramana to no haivishloin maktum yawi. On further shigi Magi activities ying paganda equine ubashe. It is in consonant with the Magi website Magi domain de Europa. Magi propaganda machineries yamlei. Shigi mutung inna Magi shitum matang equiki waging war against the Government of India. Promoting enmity between different groups. In the form of race, in the form of religion, she matang propaganda she talk about she literature she ampangi as per his aim and objective. So very important domain www not like to reveal, but important domain shumana operate oraga. In fact, all the literature she Shumaina upload toraga mana shitiki propaganda torapa yamlay. So investigation has taken up. Investigation is in full swing, and in the near future, more is likely to come up. And Magi sees to graba Magi laptop, Magi pen drive. We are forensic examination kita magda thagre. At the same time, Magi colleagues, Magi organization the yawa some person which we know, Equina Kangba Yawi, or investigation the Tograbashukra lay, Shigishi Toraga makoi ate colleagues in the shoe magi outfits group ki di of kam the shoe koi phaningai kan hot na ri haina to haige have. Thank you so much. Yes, today we have already detained him. We have already got a police custody for 5 days, in particular in this case. And within these 5 days, we will try to unearth, we will try to arrest others, colleagues who are in this particular outfit. Because to be frank, we were also not aware of this organization in the initial stage. But then in due course of investigation and in due course of inquiry, certain reliable sources cropped up saying that he had such an organization called the Government of the People's Democratic Republic of Kukiland, Haina Toraga, with his own maps, with his own secessionism plan from the Government of India, Haibegi, map to Shutumiao. So these things have cropped up. So we are investigating actively as under various sections of the law, including the UAP, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. This I'm referring to is T Haokip. In fact, the organization that he has formed is probably around 2019. She formed the group. It is very much concealed in the sense that nothing much has been released on this, but it's very active on the propaganda front. So this very much Maki in the curve of human rights or in the curve of other so active as a social what you call the YouTuber or style to in a chatpakra leave the leave nishigishi. So in fact it's a very well thought out strategy which is being worked out, and we are examining the various aspects. At this point it is too early to say anything about any precise thing, but we are working on it. We are trying to unearth more of the literatures, the other propaganda materials, other colleagues, Magi funds, Magi how they are raising funds to fund his organization activities and his various other activities associated with the organization, as well as his other activities are also under scrutiny. And in fact, Magi, some of his documents which are very telltale signs of certain crimes are also under investigation.